This is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to get you excited about Kajabi and help you understand how you could actually start making money this month. How is that possible? Here are 2 easy ways you could start earning money with Kajabi this month. The first and easiest is to help other people discover my courses. And what I mean by that is I have an affiliate program for elearningforprofit.com. I've posted a link to my affiliate program information page in the text area below this video. Simply navigate to elearningforprofit.com/earn. The steps to becoming an affiliate are simple. Click the button below to sign up. Once you do sign up, just log in to copy your unique affiliate link that you can share with other people. Then send that link to other people you know who might be interested in turning their skills or hobbies into an income-producing online course. If they buy my course from your link, at the end of the month, I pay you 30% for every sale you generated. So when you click on this button, simply provide your information here and click on Start Sharing and Earning. The other way you can start earning money with Kajabi this month is to visit websites like Upwork.com and Fiverr. Then simply type in the Kajabi keyword and look for jobs, because people who have Kajabi websites and don't know how to maintain them are seeking people with Kajabi skills to help them out. So for example, if you go to Fiverr and type in Kajabi and click on search, you'll see that there are many people who have Kajabi skills. And if you filter by best selling, for example, and even use these drop-downs to restrict your search even further, you can skim through and get a sense of the kinds of people who know about Kajabi and how much money they're charging, and read their reviews to get a sense for the kind of work that's out there. Next, if you go to Upwork and type in Kajabi and click on Get Started, you can then click on I'm a freelancer looking to find work for my skills, and we can see there are 31 jobs seeking people who know how to use Kajabi to accomplish an outcome. You might be thinking it sounds totally crazy for you to go out and look for Kajabi jobs on Upwork or Fiverr because you don't know Kajabi yet. But I guarantee you, if you sign up for a free Kajabi trial and work through all the lessons in my Kajabi Quick Start course, you'll probably be more qualified than many of the other Kajabi service providers on those sites. So give it some thought. Of course, the number one way I want you to earn money with Kajabi is by creating and selling your own online course. But since we only have a 30-day free trial, and it might take a little bit of time for you to market your own course, you could actually start making money today or this week if you join my affiliate program and help other people discover my amazing Kajabi Quick Start course.